Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. To configure tire pressure inflation values, high pressure warning points and low pressure warning points, enable automatic learning of tire pressure sensors, and change the number of different tire pressure sensor sets that can be learned. Select the correct BMW model, click Tire Pressure Monitor, click Service Functions, click Coding Functions, click Configuration. Tire pressures will be shown in the unit configured in the GS911 Options dialog. Here, the pressures are shown in bar. To set the everyday tire inflation values the motorcycle considers normal, enter relevant values for front and rear in the front set point and rear set point fields. To set the tire inflation values the motorcycle considers too high, enter relevant values for front and rear in the front high pressure warning and rear high pressure warning fields. To set the tire inflation values the motorcycle considers too low, enter relevant values for front and rear in the front low pressure warning and rear low pressure warning fields. To enable or disable automatic learning of installed tire pressure sensors, click the relevant radio button. If the enabled radio button for Auto Learn New Pressure Sensors is active, set the time limit after which the motorcycle will stop trying to establish contact with pressure sensors that were previously learned by the motorcycle, but with which contact cannot currently be established. Set the time limit after which the motorcycle will stop trying to establish contact with as yet unknown pressure sensors. This setting adjusts the tire pressure receiver's sensitivity. It should only be used if your tire pressure monitoring system is set to auto-learn and is registering signals from tire pressure sensors fitted to other motorcycles. To program your settings into the controller, click Continue.